Hey guys, this is Simonos, marketing expert. Here comes with the new course, logo designing. We all know that logo designing is having a most demand in the market right now, and we can also using some of the techniques like AI and machine learning in techniques in the logo designing. Let us see how AI is affecting the logo and how it is affecting the humans. Will humans impacted by the AI logo designing? It is understood that AI destroys non-creative workers and manually takes over the automated workers. Every day, the AI goes forward in order to replace by the robots. But there is always a counter-argument that AI cannot substitute for the innovative or creative work. Let us see today or tomorrow's tech market. Automation has its benefits, but there are already all sorts of AI based applications in the design industry. For example, we have AI logo makers like Tailor Brands, which enable worldwide small business owners in a matter of minutes to create the high quality logos. The customers do not even need any graphic design experience, and the service itself is fairly inexpensive. Human logo designers do not have to be afraid of these innovations. Most experts in the industry agree that AI will not destroy jobs but will generate more jobs. It would also promote jobs by taking the care of the tedious and frequent activities such as automated email replies, record keeping, account management, and various other tasks. According to the UK based non-profit Nesta survey, automation is unlikely to impact the creative tasks such as computer programmers, designers, musicians who are involved in a creative work like logo designing. Since logo design is also an extremely creative challenge, AI logo designers do not have to intimidate the professionals in this field. Let us see some of the following reasons which are strongly support this point. Emotional intelligence lacks AI. It is difficult to argue about the value of the emotions in the graphic design or logo design. Any marketer and logo design worth their salt believe that emotions could lead to a new level of the product design. Since it is an area where AI literally cannot match people, human logo designs will still have an upper hand at least for a long time. Small and large corporations have no financial restrictions. The key explanation for the success of AI logo designers is that they can easily be provided by the young entrepreneurs with a small budget, along with all other expenses. These small businesses owners cannot spend hundreds of dollars on the design of the logo only if they have to make a major e-commerce website. But an inventory allocate marketing funds and then some large companies are not working on the budgets for shoestring. You will spend a fair amount on the logo design, which is why you won't be the AI's customers. Some brands are still looking for the soft touch. There is very relaxing and inevitable thing about a human touch that constructing an environment where it doesn't exist in the virtually impossible. How else can you understand why so many people would go to their favorite local shops even though each category has an online store where items and deals that are hard to match are available for an amazing variety? No matter how progressing we are able to make our systems like logo designers, certainly companies will still want to communicate their needs to a real logo designer, someone with whom they can discuss and exchange the ideas on an emotional level. On the other side of coin, it is evident that based on the recent innovations of the AI, artificial intelligence in the logo design, that AI slowly takes over the logo designing industry. I strongly believe that talented designers are not in danger. However, in future years, lower end designers can be replaced by the AI. The AI logo makers purely learning ability can also replace intermediate level designers. AI actually misses the heart factor designs. We have to see what the future has going, what AI does to human logo designers. Thank you.